The global challenges we have are manifold. The United Nations describes 17 Sustainable Development Goals, including clean water, quality education, clean energy, environmental protection, good health, and sustainable cities and communities. The majority of the people live in large metropoles. Therefore, achieving the Sustainable Development Goals strongly depends on how we shape the urban environment. The idea of a smart city is that new digital technologies like the Internet of Things and big data will help to make cities greener, more efficient, to stimulate participation, and to enhance citizens' quality of life. This digital efficiency affects all kinds of different domains. Typical examples are electromobility, sharing services, online citizen services, intelligent waste bins, and smart street lighting. Ideally, all stakeholders in society can benefit from these developments. For example, citizens will enjoy more efficient public transportation, less congestion, and better air quality. The government will be able to optimize city administration processes and more efficiently manage public utilities. Companies can rely on a solid digital infrastructure, and the evolution towards an urban ecosystem offers new and attractive business opportunities. The first steps in a direction of smart cities are promising, but they also reveal some major issues. Many solutions are based on isolated technical platforms. This results in an increase of efficiency within one single domain, but not necessarily of the system as a whole. Overall, major overarching problems such as waste reduction, poverty, and pollution are not being solved. Most cities do not have an overarching digital development strategy. Small and middle-sized cities, which are typical for Europe, often lack the skills and expertise to drive such interdisciplinary effort. By choosing an off-the-shelf solution, cities may become dependent on one technology or a single solution provider, which may limit the interoperability of systems. Due to the massive increase of public and private data, we need new perspectives on the security, accessibility, and governance of data. Some large international players may try to capture and privatize urban data and monopolize the digital ecosystem. New disruptive business models may actually harm local trade and SMEs. To solve these issues, we need to change our perception of infrastructure and society. The smart cities of tomorrow need to be further developed towards a participatory ecosystem. That includes the metropolitan area as well as the environmental surroundings. We envision the city of the future as a healthy, living, and continuously evolving organism. Technologically, the next level of a smart city should be understood as an integrated holistic system. A system of systems should create an open environment that is interoperable and provider independent. From a social perspective, smart cities require an evolution towards a digital society. Digital technology should stimulate the participation of citizens to set the direction this society is heading for. How to deal with the generation, storage, and usage of data is a major topic. Economically, the use of data should support the concept of circularity. That means that data is used to optimize the system as a whole, especially to save natural resources, rather than for driving consumption in a neoliberal, non-sustainable manner. To make all this happen, the single components of a digital city need, just like the cells of an organism, DNA, in the form of technical standards, legislation, and common social and sustainable values. The Smart City Lab of Telecom Innovation Laboratories will take part in the creation of that DNA. We form alliances between cities, universities, and industries. For example, we significantly contribute to the Smart City Standards Forum and to the EU Lighthouse project, My Smart Life. In so-called living labs, our interdisciplinary team will cooperate with other stakeholders and involve citizens to develop and test ideas that strive for more than just technical solutions. We shape the urban ecosystem.